you have a battery drainage that has been caused by your radio, this Android radios is normally in sleep mode or so then it will drain your battery very quickly. So every morning when you start your car, it doesn't want to start and so on because it's in sleep mode. It must be on direct shutdown mode. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So firstly, you have to go to your settings. I don't know where the settings will be on your radio, but on this radio it will be here. Then you go to factory settings. It will be here. Then you have to put in a code. The code on this radio, it will be 8888. So in other words, it's 488888. And you just press OK. Okay, then you see this parameter settings menu. You have to go to engineering test debugging. And it will be here. Okay, so here you have to put in a code. It is 2626959910, and then you press OK. Enter again. It was, before I changed it already, it was in user mode, but it must be in direct shutdown mode over here. Direct shutdown mode. Just gonna go zoom a little bit nearer. It must be in direct shutdown mode. See? So yeah, once you've done that, you just go back. Please say okay. Yes. Okay. You go back. Okay, then it's done. So now you won't have any issues anymore about this radio draining your car battery.